It's a combat, Carl.
What's going on?
Nothing that concerns you spacemen. Just us toys.
I'd better take a look anyway. Why is that soldier strapped to an explosive device?
That's why. Sid.
There's a hairy fella.
No, that's Scud, you idiot. That is Sid.
You mean that happy child?
That ain't no happy child. He tortures toys just for fun.
Well, then we've got to do something.
What are you doing? Get down from there.
I'm going to teach that boy a lesson.
Yeah, sure. You go ahead. Melt it with your scary laser.
Be careful with that. It's extremely dangerous.
Climbing it, climbing it.